I know your phone doesn't come with your favorite music to set it as your phone ringtone. But if you want, you can set any of your favorite music as your phone ringtone. So if you wanna do the same, then keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. Now click on sounds and vibration. Now click on the ringtone. If you are using two SIM cards on your phone, then you will be asked to select your SIM card. I mean, you can set different ringtone for your different SIM card, okay? First of all, I've selected the SIM number 1, and now see these are all the inbuilt ringtones that come with the phone. But I want to set my own custom ringtone, okay? So look at the top right corner, there is a plus icon, so click over there. Now all the musics that have been saved on your phone storage will come up here, and now select your favorite music to set it as your ringtone. Now at the top right corner, click on done. So this is how you can set your favorite music as your phone ringtone. So if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit the like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you're watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.